There's an Oklahoma boating event happening a mile down the street. This is our MasterCraft NXT 24. Speakers everywhere. Look at this helm seat. Like I said, tons of room. $189,000 is our MSRP. Nichols sales price is only. We just finished our Oklahoma Boating Expo and we were wanting to continue that momentum. Events like this cost thousands of dollars and we're gonna pass all those savings on to you, the consumer. A mile down the street, we're at 21st and Sheridan, free parking. We're gonna be open later hours. We've got more than 40 boats on hand on our showroom. We've got more than 200 boats in total inventory. We've got brands like Vexus, Camus, Robalo, Chaparral, Bennington Tri-Tunes, and MasterCraft. We've got some great inventory. We've got some great factory rebates in excess of more than $100,000. We've got some great low rate financing on some of our closeout 2024 models. You are not gonna wanna miss this opportunity. This is gonna be the best opportunity to find a boat if you're looking for something in 2025. Stop in at 21st and Sheridan. We might be able to save you some time. We will definitely save you some money. This is our MasterCraft NXT 24. This boat is wrapped in jet black with champagne gold metal flake. We have an extended swim platform topped with sea deck. This boat has a matching tandem axle trailer with guides. We've got our rear stereo controls for when you want to change your song when you're in the water. If you're serious about getting a boat this year, this boat is going to be a great option. Get room for 16 passengers, whether you want to cove out, if you want to surf or wakeboard. 16 passengers, 16 cup holders as well. You get gas assist wakeboard tower with tower speakers, sea deck everywhere, speakers everywhere. Look at this helm seat with bolster. SurfStar is in this system, so it makes it easy to dial up your perfect wave. Got your battery charger for your phone. Great seating. Here's for your rear passenger to watch your rider. Like I said, tons of room on this 24-foot MasterCraft. This is a premium brand, premium pricing. $189,000 is our MSRP. Nichols sales price is only $134,995. We have a $5,000 factory rebate. You do not want to miss this deal. Come see us at Nichols Marine.